Hey everyone, it's Ashley from Poly Vegan Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a favorite in our home called Miti or Miti Tuna. In this recipe, I'll be using a small roll of vegan tuna by Worthington, a medium red onion diced, 5 baby cucumbers, 5 Roma tomatoes all diced, a cup and a half of seaweed salad, 1 medium jalapeno, 2 scallions, and a handful of cilantro, all chopped into small pieces. Before I add any of the vegetables in, I typically like to break up the tuna really well and also add in the lime juice. I only put 2 limes down on the ingredients, but I personally love my miti to be extra tart, so I added the juice of 3 limes. After I mix in my lime juice with the tuna, I like to start off with the spicy or vegetables that have a stronger taste, like the red onions, the green onions, cilantro, and jalapeno. I personally really like to use baby cucumbers in my miti because it has a very unique crunch to it. You can use normal cucumbers if you prefer, but I just like to add the baby cucumbers because it adds an extra crunch to every bite. I use a pre-made seaweed salad that I buy in our local college market. It has enough sodium to where I don't have to add any other salt or any other seasonings to this miti. If you don't have this in your local stores, feel free to add your own salt. And also, if you prefer to still have that seaweed taste in it, you can find in your local stores the roasted dried seaweed. If you can't find it in any local store, most likely they'll be sold in any Asian stores in your area, and even online they have it on Amazon as well. This would be the roasted seaweed that is sold in sheets, the type that you can eat as a snack or with your food, not the other type of seaweed sheets that is typically used for sushi or kimbap. You can crumble that into the miti as well. And lastly, as a binder, I am using Just Mayo. Just Mayo is a vegan mayo sold in our local stores. If you don't find this brand in your store, feel free to use any vegan mayo. I prefer this one because it gives it a really good taste and it's the closest to Best Food real mayo.
It tastes good, Mom. Spicy, crunchy, salty, tasty.
Thank you for joining us right here on Poly Vegan Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Please follow us at Poly Vegan Kitchen. No matter where you are on your journey, there's always room for you on our table.